guys, remember to like, share, and subscribe to my video. Tell a friend them for tell a friend them to want tell our next friend to come subscribe. Anyhow, this channel is about credit card, finance, how to make money, and all of them good stuff there. So if you want to learn how to do those things, just hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, yeah, and make sure on stay tuned and watch straight through the video because I don't want to miss it at all. So anyhow, you go to the bank and the bank is telling you to get a credit card. But why do you need a credit card? For various purposes. Yeah, you can also take out a loan if you want to. Probably build your credit score or something somewhere around that side here. Or you could take a credit card. But on the other hand, if you are a person who don't know how to manage your money, it doesn't make sense to take out a credit card, baby love. Because listen me, the interest rate is high as heaven. Listen. So as long as you know you are that person where mature and responsible enough to take out a credit card, you can do so. Make sure if you borrow $5,000, pay the $5,000. Do not pay $2,500. Say, oh, sure, man, next month I deal with that. I can't bother with that. I can't listen. I can't. Listen, don't do it. Do not do it. Pay it in full. My biggest advice to you right now is to pay it. As you borrow it today, listen, you pay it today. So that tomorrow, if anything happens on the road, you are something, yes, okay. Because people do forget things, especially when you think you're free money. Remember, I said, no, your money. It's not your money. You borrow the people. You have to just consider as it as borrow things. You borrow it, you pay it back. Same time or before the due date. Because I think they give you a month to pay. So make sure you pay it before the due date, because if you don't pay it before the due date, dog, I'm your supper. Because the interest is high. And remember, there's an annual fee that you have to pay. If you do not pay this fee, just be reminded, if you're not financially stable, do not take up a credit card. Listen now, if you're not financially stable, do not take up a credit card. Or if you know they can borrow and pay back, do not take up a credit card, because you get trapped. Or they say you get trapped. As long as you pay back on time, there's no annual fee. No, I won't say there's no annual fee. Sorry. I will say there's no additional interest, to be exact. So, as long as you pay on time, there's no additional interest. So, why do we really need a credit card? Maybe you basically you want to build a credit score. And as long as you miss one payment, the credit score go down. So don't miss none. Please, do not miss any. And next thing, maybe you want to rent a nice apartment and all these things. Some work, you have to have certain credit score and all these things, depending if you're living in the US and them place there. Or you may want to take out your house. It depends on what you want. A car loan, a mortgage, something around that where you have to have a certain level of credit score. So if you're going to start I would say start with the minimum to 10-20% or 30%. For example, you get a credit limit of 100,000. Don't spend where you can. If you know you cannot, so do not spend after $100,000. Spend $10,000 to $20,000 out of the credit. Your credit something there off your credit card. Pay a bill, something around the line. It no matter how small it is, it still can build your credit score as long as you pay back the amount in full. Do not listen to anybody else when it comes out to saying, I will pay it. I will pay it next month, please. I need us a swipe. Listen, nobody go on Shein and Temu and Amazon and go to the grocery store and swipe. And when you swipe, because your money is on the card, so you feel free-handed because you don't have the money in front of you. So you now check the things. Say, let me check my bag and see how much money I'm. You're going to keep on swiping. A swiper no swiping. The swiper no swiping. Swiper no swiping. Swiper no swiping. Listen, if you're no, nothing about you just a swipe like you're a billionaire, you're a millionaire, a billionaire. Listen, don't do it. Don't swipe the card and then you're left in a debt or debt whatsoever it name. Do not do it. Do not do it. Do not do it. Do not do it. Manage your money properly. Learn from manage. If you don't know how to manage your money, there's so many ways. You can come on my channel, you can read a book of how to manage your money, how to budget, how to do this, how to do that. I'll be putting up videos of how to budget your money, how to manage your money properly, because at the end of the day, you don't want to be in debt. You don't want to pay for some high interest thing where you're not even have. And sometimes, we are struggle. I will go to, take out this credit card and it just put you in some things where we don't want to be in. We never want to be in. Yeah, put you in a more deeper hole than where you're there. So, please guys, manage your money properly. If you take out a credit card, make sure to pay it in full. Build your credit score. Do the right thing. Guys, remember to like, share, and subscribe. And I thank you so much for watching, I'm grateful. Yeah. If you're there at the end of the video, big up on yourself. As you can see, my skin is good. No filter, no nothing, just me, myself, and I love myself, and I love you guys too. So subscribe to girls channel. Yeah.